Imagine.
It's December 1st, 2024, 56 degrees Fahrenheit and partly cloudy in Sarasota Bay. The tide is incoming, and not only is it a new month, it is a new moon, and the sun and moon are both in Scorpio, contrary to Western astrology charts. Ernesto Lasso de la Vega has just hired me for a scuba dive recon mission, and we are about to make our way to the GPS coordinates marking the clam restoration lease area where he had lost his GoPro the week prior. Yep, you heard that right. Our mission? To find the GoPro that had dropped into the ocean. These men have been heavily involved with restoring water quality in Sarasota Bay through the growing and dropping of millions of clams. Clams that can individually filter up to 50 gallons of water per day and live 30 to 50 years long. Fast forward to the missing GoPro, lost during the previous clam planting expedition. Would it even be possible to find? The water was cold, visibility low. Had the tide not already taken the camera somewhere else, out of range and lost forever? The odds seemed stacked against us.
Hey, girl. I'm scared. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I asked myself, no.
See ya. All right.
These were the thoughts rolling through my mind as I got ready to duck below the surface and listen to myself breathe like Darth Vader. But Ernesto seemed confident in our collective powers of observation and in the advanced open water technique for recon in low visibility. Okay, so imagine you're underwater with 1 to 2 feet visibility, attaching a rope and carabiner to the weighted flag at the GPS point, and using the rope as guidance, swimming the radius of the rope around the center point, extending the rope, swimming the new radius of the rope, new radius of the rope, new radius of the rope, swimming literally in circles in the dark until...
I cannot believe we just
That is
did this.
amazing.
That's so crazy. I was like, there's no way we're gonna find this thing. Wow. Found. It's been found. We found it. Miracles happen.
Unbelievable that within about 20 minutes and 7 circles, that right beside the boat's anchor, the handle of Ernesto's GoPro was sticking straight up out of the muck, waiting to be found. This is the unexpected miracle we all needed, and it was made possible by GPS technology, dive gear, advanced open water technique, and 3 people willing to come together to make possible what seemed impossible.
I don't know about you all, but I needed that win in my life.